Hi everybody, welcome back. My last video on the Fujimi Garage Tool kit went over so well I thought I'd do another one. This kit here I bought quite a few years ago and I've been working on it over the last 3 or 4 years, and it's not quite completed yet. Some parts are still in the process of being finished, but I thought I'd do a video of what I have up to date. Just a warning, if you're looking for this kit, you'll notice on the box it says Garage and Tools, where the garage is shadowed out. That means that there's a separate kit for the garage walls and floor, so you don't want that one. If you want the tools kit, make sure that the tools are highlighted. There are quite a few small parts that come with this kit for the many tools that are included, as you can see here on the instructions. This kit does come with decals, and here's what's included and on the sprues. Here's the electric welder completed. Up next we'll build the crane or the engine hoist. I use wood filler to fill in the sink marks. I added some small scale chain left over from another build. Next we'll look at the power lift or car hoist. So I had this all together, and I decided I was going to paint these little supports yellow. Fortunately I hadn't glued in these little pieces here that hold them in place, so I was able to pop them off, those pins there. And I've sprayed them with hairspray, and I'm going to spray them with some yellow craft paint and then brush it off with a toothbrush a little bit to make it look worn. And stay tuned, see how that turns out. I used this reference picture of the oxyacetylene welding tanks to try and get an idea of weathering, and I put a little wood filler in the bottom of the parts to give it some weight so they wouldn't so easily topple over. So the parts are coming together, but I mistakenly clipped off the little piece of plastic on the side of the oxyacetylene valves where the hose would go on. So now that's one thing I have to go back and fix. I scratch built this cart for the welding tanks from some leftover chrome sprue. Just for fun, I found some parts box wheels and tires just to see what they would look like with it. I still have to go back and add the hoses to connect to the torch. The kit also comes with some office equipment and furniture. As you can see here, I bent a paper clip to scratch build the cord for the phone. Again, just for fun, I thought I'd show some shots of me hard at work. I painted the chair based on a real one that I have, as shown here in my workshop. Also included in this kit is this really nice trolley jack. If you build it carefully, it actually works, as shown here in this video. I added some wood filler to the air conditioning unit to help it stand upright as well. At the same time I was working on some mechanics figures from another kit. Here they are getting primed and ready for paint. The parts in this kit have a lot of nice details. With careful painting and weathering they can be very realistic looking. The only real problem I had with this kit was putting the decals on the oil drums. They just wouldn't conform, and they seem to break apart easily. So there are a few things I have to go back and touch up and finish off, but I thought I'd do this video just to let everyone know what's available in this kit and what you can do with it.
This has been a
Model Car Minion
presentation.